Hey everybody, we are on another adventure headed to Sandusky, Ohio for Ohio Bike Week. We are in the heart of Cleveland. We got the Hummermobile here. Behind you is the KeyBank Terminal Tower. You can see it back there. And to the right you've got the Cleveland Browns Stadium. For all you Browns lovers. We got the Hummer sitting there, and to the left of the stadium you have the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, which we're bringing a little closer there for you. And then more swinging to the left, you got the Cleveland Cliffs, which is one of the ships that cruise Lake Erie. They carry a lot of ore here. Lake Erie is all the way in the background there. This is one of the ships that go up and down the river. And as we swing all the way down there, you can see the cranes where it's the port of Cleveland. And then continue again, we're going to swing back to the left. We got the Cleveland Stadium. You got the towers in the back. You got the KeyBank, which is the heart of downtown Cleveland, Ohio. And then you got more of the buildings. And again, the Hall of Fame, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So come join us as we cruise. We're heading to Jack's Casino. We're going to play some poker. And there's that Cleveland Cliffs again, the ore carrying ship here in Cleveland, Ohio. And let's see if we can take a drive down by the port of Cleveland. A view of the Cleveland Stadium's carrying the name Huntington Bank Field. This is where the Cleveland Browns play. And another great view downtown Cleveland, Terminal Tower, back there in the back. And off again to our right is the Port of Cleveland, and another one of those ships that carry ore on the Great Lakes in Cleveland, Ohio. And another view with Otto Graham, great player here in Cleveland, Ohio, of the stadium, the Brown Stadium here in Cleveland, Ohio. Check it out, everybody. And as we wrap up our journey here in Cleveland, Ohio, we're heading to Jack Casino to play some poker. So follow us. Again, the KeyBank building, the Terminal Tower, the heart of downtown Cleveland. Jack's is right in the center of that. So come follow us, motorcycles and poker. We'll see you at Jack's. Come join us, everybody. Going to give you a better view of the Port of Cleveland, one of those ships that carry the ore here right on Lake Erie. A slow swing to our left is the Port of Cleveland. A lot of ore. Trains are coming in, loading and unloading constantly here in Cleveland. Big business. And as we keep swinging a little bit to the left, we got the Terminal Tower again. We got the KeyBank. And we got another great view of the Brown Stadium with the Hummermobile headed to Sandusky for the Ohio Bike Week, which we accidentally ran into, which we're going to participate in with the Yellow Bird. So come follow us, everybody. Motorcycles and poker adventures here in Cleveland, Ohio. And we're going to wrap up our view of Cleveland, Ohio on the Cuyahoga River, the one that burned for a couple of weeks and they couldn't figure out how to put it out, and they finally cleaned it up. Tower City Center, the bridges connecting, and this used to be one great steel producing city. So check it out. And we just happen to be located right next to Rocket Arena, home of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Home of the Cleveland Cavaliers, the Rocket Arena. And again, a nice overview of the Cuyahoga River, downtown Cleveland, Ohio. Come join us, everybody. Follow us, Motorcycles and Poker, right next to Jack Casino. We're here. Let's go play. Follow us.